On the late night of 21st of November, Moon will move in the sign of Gemini. Moon goes into Mrigashira Nakshatra and gets aspected by Venus, which is 7th from the Moon. Obviously, this means that love, romance and happiness will be on the cards. But also observe that the dispositor of Moon and the ruler of Gemini, Mercury, will be in the 6th house from the Moon along with Sun and Ketu. This means that you will get to hear something that can also be detrimental to relationships. You can also face problems from the in-laws, and also you can face disputes, a sudden you can say a court case or a sudden allegation upon you, especially if you are trying to save tax or if it is coming from the in-law side. So you have to be careful on that front. Venus being 7th from the Moon will actually influence Moon in a very positive way, because Venus is in the house of Sagittarius and Venus will be in Purvashada Nakshatra. This means that this will trigger a new set of relationship. You just need to be careful that it should not be extramarital relationship, because it can hamper and destroy the marriage in itself. Saturn is 8th from the Moon, so definitely this means that you will be under Ashtam Dhaya. In fact, Gemini moon sign are the ones who will have to be very, very careful when Moon transits the Gemini zodiac sign, because for you it is an Ashtam Dhaya, and also in the transit Saturn will be 8th from the Moon. That means you might have to go through a time frame, like for the next 3 days you will hear a lot about yourself or about your loved ones which you might not like. So be very careful about the information that you get from the public, the feedback that you get from the public, because enemies can install wrong thoughts in your mind by giving wrong information, and you can actually believe them, and trusting a person who is not trustworthy can be bad for relationships. Now, Moon is the second lord and it goes in the Gemini zodiac sign, so it is a good time for investment, especially long-term investment. Your mind will also focus towards clearance of loan and towards a healthy body and mind, and that is the right way to go. Having a holistic approach towards your health and starting something like a yoga or a class of meditation at this time is actually very, very good for you. This will not only give you the feeling of fulfillment and satisfaction, but it will also make your life much more productive. Mars being 5th from this particular position is only going to make you think more about your productivity and towards earning money. You can also have an idea of a business which you can think to start later on. That idea can come from a close friend, and this is something that you can start as a partnership. But whatever you do, write that idea on a piece of paper, wait it out, and you can just go slow, because Saturn in 8th house shows very slow but long-term investment. So don't hurry or don't rush to implement your ideas or decisions. Rather take your time, and you will see that your mind will be far more stable and you will feel much more secured and safe.